Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about what is cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity definition and best practices? Cybersecurity definition: cybersecurity is the application of technologies, process, and controls to protect system network, program devices, and data from cyber attacks. It aim to reduce the risk of cyber attack and protect against the unauthorized exploitation of system networks and technologies. Why is cybersecurity important? The costs of cybersecurity risks are rising. Organizations that suffer cybersecurity breaches may face significant fines. There are also non-financial costs to be considered, like reputational damage. Cyber attacks are increasingly sophisticated. Cyber attacks continue to grow in sophistication, with attackers using an ever expanding variety of tactics. This includes social engineering, malware, and ransomware. Cybersecurity is a critical board-level issue. New regulations and reporting requirements make cybersecurity risk oversight of challenge. The board needs insurance from management that fits cyber risk strategies will reduce the risk of attacks and limit financial and operational impact. Cybercrime is a big business, according to a study by MCFE and the CSIS, based on data collected by Benson Bourne. The world economy loses more than $1 trillion each year due to cybercrime. Political, ethical, and social incentives can also drive attacks. Who needs cybersecurity? It is a mistake to believe that you are of no interest to cyber attackers. Everyone who is connected to the internet needs cyber security. This is because most cyber attacks are automated and to exploit vulnerabilities rather than specific website or organizations. Type of cyber threats. Common cyber threats include malware such as ransomware, botnet software, RTS, remote access trojans, rootkits, and bootkits, spyware, trojans, viruses, and worms, backdoors, which allow remote access from checking, which inserts malicious code into online forms. Cryptojacking, which installs illicit cryptocurrency, meaning software did US distributed denial of services attacks, which flawed service system and network with traffic to knock the offline DNS domain name system poisoning attacks, which compromise the DNS to redirect traffic to malicious sites. What are the five types of cybersecurity? Critical in infrastructure. Cybersecurity critical infrastructure. Organizations are often more vulnerable to attack than others because SCADA system often rely on older software. Operators of the essential services in the UK: energy, transport, health, water, and digital infrastructure sectors, and digital services provider. and bound by the NIC regulations. The regulations require organizations to implement an appropriate technical and organizational measure to manage their security risk. Network security involves addressing vulnerabilities affecting your operating system and network architecture, including server and also firewalls and wireless access point and network protocols. Cloud security is concerned with securing data application and infrastructure in the cloud. Lottery Internet of Things security. Lottery security involves security smart devices and network connected to the load devices include things that connect to the internet without human intervention, such as smart fire alarms, thermostat, and other applications. Security involves addressing vulnerabilities resulting from insecure development processes, designing, coding, and publishing software. Cybersecurity versus information security. Cybersecurity is often confused with information security. Cybersecurity focuses on protecting computer system from unauthorized access or being otherwise damaged or made inaccessible. Information security is a broader category that protects all information issues, whether in um, hard copy of digital form. The legal requirements for cybersecurity, the GDPR and DPA 2018 require organization to implement appropriate security measure to protect personal data. Otherwise, you risk substantial finance. Cybersecurity is a critical business issue of every organization. The challenge of cybersecurity uh, um, mitigating to cybersecurity risks facing your organization can be challenging. This is especially true if you have moved remote working and have less control over employees' behavior and device security. Learn more about remote working and cybersecurity. An effective approach must encompass your entire IT infrastructure and be based on regular risk assessment. Alright, guys, that's enough for today. I will be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe. Have a nice day ahead. Allah.